Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Discord screen sharing audio not working. So if you also want to fix Discord screen sharing audio not working, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So the first thing that you have to do is disconnect the screen sharing. After you do that, what you have to do is look at left. Now in your server at bottom, you'll be able to find the settings icon. Simply click on it. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to the user settings interface. At left you'll be able to find several options over here. Simply scroll down. Now over here in the app settings sections, at third you'll be able to find the option for voice and video. All you have to do is click on it. After that, you'll be led to the voice settings interface. Make sure you've selected the correct input device and output device. Also make sure your input volume and output volume are turned on. After that, what you have to do is scroll down. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for use an experimental method to capture audio from applications. Make sure to toggle on this button. Also make sure to toggle on this button, use our advanced technology to capture your screen. Now after that your problem should be fixed, but if your problem is still not fixed, what you have to do is scroll down to the bottom of this interface. Now what you can do is click on the option reset voice settings. Now after that, this kind of pop-up will appear. Resetting voice settings will clear all local mutes and local volumes. Are you sure you want to do this? Simply click on the OK option. Now after you reset the voice settings in Discord, what you have to do is look at the bottom of your taskbar. Over here, you'll be able to find the icon for speaker. All you have to do is right click on it. Now after that, you'll be able to find several options over here. Simply click on the option open volume mixer. Now after that, you can see over here volume mixer will be opened up. Make sure your speakers and headphones option is turned on. After that, simply exit the window. Now after that, start sharing the screen. Simply click on the icon screen share. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure to choose the application that supports the audio. After that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure to check this option, also share application audio. After that, simply click on the option go live. After that, your screen will be shared and your audio will also start working. So that is how you fix Discord screen sharing audio not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.